Hi, my name is Svetlana and I'm from Moscow, Russia. It's been 2.5 years since my stay in Meridian, and I would like to tell you why I think it's such a wonderful place. The greatest thing about Meridian is the people who work there, who are the nicest and friendliest people I've ever met in my life. And they managed to create this kind of warm family atmosphere which you feel immediately the moment you cross the school's doorstep. While being at Meridian, you're studying among people from all over the world, and of course you learn a great deal about other countries and cultures, and it helps you to become more open-minded and to get rid of some certain stereotypes that you might have had. And of course you get to know these people and you make lots of friends from all over the world, which is great. The classes themselves are really fun. Before coming to Meridian, I never thought that studying can be so much fun, but in Meridian it is. Every teacher has their own teaching methods, and none of them can be called boring. The teachers do everything to make their classes as interactive as possible by organizing different discussions and games and any kind of team tasks, so the students would actually start communicating and speaking in English, which I personally couldn't do before I came there, even though I had been studying English for 10 years before that. After the end of my course at Meridian, I took IELTS exam and I got 7.5 score, which allowed me to apply for studying abroad, which I did, and now it's my second year in the university where I study in English, where I communicate with my friends in English. I study what I wanted to study and where I wanted to study, so none of that would be possible without Meridian. So I'm truly grateful to Meridian for the wonderful times I've had there, for all the experiences that I had and all the wonderful people I met. I still remember that summer with a happy smile, and I really hope I'm gonna come back someday. Thank you!